Welcome to JH. I've been keeping a close eye on the rumors surrounding the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3 smart glasses, which promise to be a massive leap over the previous models that were essentially just overpriced headphones with a lens attached. While past versions leaned heavily into basic camera and audio features, Gen 3 is looking to shake things up with fresh optical styles and a smarter AI that might actually recognize your friends before you forget their names. Powered by the new Snapdragon AR Plus chipset, these glasses are aiming to be full-blown AI companions rather than just a techie fashion statement. Insiders suggest that battery life might finally stretch into actual, usable hours instead of the usual blink and its dead 30 minutes of active AI use. This could make real-time tools like Look and Ask far more practical for things like scenic translations and object recognition, assuming you don't mind looking like you're having a deep conversation with your own eyewear in public. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, as current users are still fighting the good fight against a measly 4-hour total runtime that disappears faster than your paycheck if you dare to use the live AI features. Low-light performance also remains a recurring frustration, often turning evening memories into a grainy, blurry mess that looks like it was filmed on a literal potato. To top it off, the current AI assistant still struggles with anything more complex than basic math or weather reports, earning plenty of criticism for its lack of conversational nuance. It turns out that making glasses smart is a lot harder than just slapping a chip on the frame and hoping for the best, but we can always dream of a future where our tech is actually as clever as the marketing claims.